it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for us a Superdrug haul. It's quite a heavy box full. So yes, I've got this box of goodies to go through from Superdrug. I've actually had it on order. It took over 2 weeks to get here. I did an order pretty much as soon as I got paid, and then I kept getting emails to say that it was held up. They have actually given me £3 worth of points onto my Superdrug card as an apology, but obviously this year I think lots of things are just taking so long to get here. So make sure you're ordering stuff pretty well before you need them, because with Christmas coming, you might need some stuff. So yeah, make sure you've ordered stuff pretty soon. Okay, so yeah, box to go through. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together and I will show you what I got. Okay, so the box is open. I've somehow managed to hurt my ankle while trying to get it open, honestly. Right, so it's mostly, I've stocked upon a lot of essentials and bits and bobs that I needed. So yeah, let's show you one by one what I got. So the first thing I picked up then was a couple of deodorants. I picked this up before, and this was on offer. It should have been £3.65 each, but they were £1.65 each. And it's something that we always need, isn't it? The next thing that I picked up then was some Batiste dry shampoo. This was also on offer. It was £2.99, but they had an offer on that was a third off, so it made it £1.99. And again, dry shampoo is something that's super duper useful, and I'm about to run out of the one that I am using. Again, I am using just the normal Batiste one. Next, I picked up some toothpaste, and this is Chris's favourite toothpaste. He prefers this one to any other toothpaste we've tried. So this is usually £3.99, but again, Superdrug had an offer on. It was £1.99. So picked one up while it was on offer, because again, toothpaste is something that we always use. Next, and another offer. I don't think I got anything that wasn't on offer in this haul. I got some shampoo. I bought the Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food with Banana and Coconut Shampoo. I didn't pick up the conditioner, just shampoo, because this is the hair mask that I use. I use once a week, and I thought maybe I can use this once a week as the shampoo and then follow with the hair mask conditioner, which would be fab. This stuff smells amazing. I hope the shampoo smells as nice. I haven't actually sniffed it. Oh, so nice. It's like holidays. It smells like holiday in a bottle. So this was, and I did write it down 2 seconds. This was £5.99, but I got it for £2.98 on offer. So yeah, it's probably gonna last a while if I'm only using it kind of once a week. Because I do generally wash my hair every other day, but I do use a hair mask just on the weekends. So this will be really nice. It is for dry hair, which my hair's not particularly dry, but it's doing well. The conditioner or the hair mask has been helping my hair to stay kind of perfect. I haven't had a haircut since February and I've got no signs of any split ends, and I think it's this stuff. So my hair's looking fairly healthy, really, considering. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this with it. Next, I picked up something new that I'd seen that Superdrug do. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I love Superdrug's Vitamin E range, and they have just started a range of Vitamin E bath soaks. They had various different ones, but I went for the original one. I didn't realise this was actually so big. We get 500 mils in here, so that's going to last a good old while, isn't it? Wow. So this is usually £3.99, but they did have it on an offer for better than half price, so it was £1.97, which is perfect. I look forward to trying this because I loved every single thing that I've tried from the Vitamin E range. Absolutely love it. I've had their moisturisers, their eye cream is one of my favourites, various bits and bobs for your face, and I really like it. So, and I love a bath. Not that I have the most time for the bath at the minute with the puppy, but hey, look forward to trying this, really do. I wonder how it smells. No massive scent there, but again, you do the various what Jake and Luna are playing. So if you hear any noises, bear with. I think they have different like scents with like shea butter and different bits and bobs in. But I say I went just for the original one. I thought, why not? Okay, next I picked up some makeup. I bet you can't go switch brand. Superdrug had some offers on that I just could not resist. They had 3 for 2 across cosmetics, 20% off selected Revolution products, and then if you spent £15 on Revolution products, you got a free mystery bag. So I got myself, I topped up on some foundation. I got the F4, which is actually what I've gone down to at the minute, and F5, which is my kind of more tanned looking kind of skin. I think I've gone down to this, but I'll keep this for next year. These were $9.99 each, but they were down to $7.99 on the kind of 20% off thing. And then along with that, I got their primer, the Pore Perfecting Primer, which is a dupe for e.l.f.'s primer. I've used them both and I think I actually prefer this one. So this is usually £8, but I got it for £6.40, and again, 3 for 2, so actually I got it for free. I won't say too much about these because you know I adore these. This is what I wear every day. This is what's under my makeup. Love them. You all know this. So then, the last thing on the haul this month is the free gift bag that I got for spending £15 on Revolution products. So I bought 2 foundations and I got a free primer and whatever's in this bag, which I haven't opened. So, oh goodness, that's stuck down. Let's find out together what's in it. Quite excited. I've had a few of these before and there's always like, there's nice bits and bobs, some bits I don't use, but I always pass along. So let's see what we get. Ooh, there's a couple of things in here. I'm just going to reach in. So the first one we get then is, I think I've had this before, so I'll probably put this into a giveaway or something. It is their Ultra Contour Kit, and it is their Lightening Contour number 2. So you get in there, it looks like a cream highlighter, a powder and a contour shade. Again, I think I've had this before, so I'll probably put this into a giveaway. Next one then we have, oh, we've got a brow tint. It is their brow gel in taupe. Apply, leave to develop for 2 hours. Oh, so this is like a dupe of the Maybelline one. I really like the Maybelline one. I'm not sure what colour taupe is though. It looks quite grey, so I don't know if that's going to be the right kind of shade for my brows, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would love to give that a go. But it looks kind of like a very, very pale brown / grey colour, which I suppose is taupe, so not going to be the perfect shade for me. So nothing I can use thus far, but I think there's 2 more things left. Okay, so we have, what have we got? A Revolution Creme, it just says, and it is, I think it must be a lipstick. It must be a lipstick. That is something I can definitely use. It's a nice neutral colour, so that's quite me. I can use that one. And the last one, it looks like we've got another lipstick, liquid lip anyway, and this one is a sheer brilliant one in the shade Gone Rogue. Again, I can use that and it's a nice neutral-esque colour, so it's very me. So then I can use these, I'll probably put in a giveaway. But again, got these for nothing, so quite happy. Okie dokie then guys, that is everything that I picked up on this month's Superdrug haul, the last one of the year. I can't believe where this year's gone, honestly, but I do a Superdrug haul every month after I get paid, so look out. I'm sure there'll be one in January if I've got any money left from the amount of Christmas presents I've been buying. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the things I've picked up. Do you want to see any more information about any of it? I'll probably put on my Instagram like the empties and things once I've used them, so look out for that. Like the things like the shampoo and the bubble bath and whatnot. You know I talk about the Revolution products so often, you're probably sick of it. Anyway guys, if you've liked this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe. Like I say, I've got Superdrug hauls every month. I do like other hauls, Revolution, I do unboxings of like Look Fantastic Glossy Box. I try bits and bobs out. I do what I can. I try to upload Tuesdays, Thursdays and Face Mask Fridays. Things have been a little hit and miss recently because I've just got a puppy and it's taking up a lot of time. But I will try in the new year to get back to a regular schedule. Anyway guys, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye bye.